Vinyl window installation in Mesa offers a range of benefits for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With energy-efficient vinyl windows Mesa, you can significantly reduce your energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our custom window solutions Mesa are designed to meet the unique needs of each home, ensuring optimal performance and style. For those considering window frame replacement Mesa, our expert team provides comprehensive window measurement services Mesa to ensure a perfect fit. Double-pane windows Mesa and vinyl windows Mesa are an excellent choice for those seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. Our window glass installation Mesa services are available for any necessary fixes, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Home window upgrades Mesa can transform the look and feel of your home. With a variety of window style options Mesa, including vinyl windows Mesa, you can choose the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Our window design consultation Mesa services help you make informed decisions about the best window solutions for your needs. Window insulation services Mesa are crucial for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort in your home. Our window weatherproofing Mesa services protect against the elements, ensuring your windows perform optimally year-round. For added security, consider our window security features Mesa, which pair perfectly with vinyl windows Mesa to provide peace of mind for you and your family. Window maintenance services Mesa are essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular upkeep, including window hardware replacement Mesa, window screen installation Mesa, and vinyl windows Mesa Care, ensures your windows function smoothly and efficiently. Our window seal replacement Mesa services address any issues with drafts or leaks, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Understanding the window replacement cost Mesa is important for budgeting your home improvement project. We offer window replacement financing Mesa options to make the process more affordable. Our window installation warranty Mesa provides assurance that your investment in vinyl windows Mesa and other types of windows is protected. The window installation timeline Mesa varies depending on the scope of the project, but our experienced window contractor services Mesa ensure timely and efficient completion. With our window energy savings Mesa solutions, including vinyl windows Mesa, you can enjoy reduced utility bills and a more sustainable home. Window noise reduction Mesa is a key consideration for those living in busy areas. Our double-pane windows Mesa and vinyl windows Mesa provide soundproofing options to help create a quieter indoor environment. Additionally, window UV protection Mesa safeguards your interiors from harmful sun exposure, preserving your furnishings and flooring. For those interested in vinyl window replacement Mesa, our team offers expert guidance and installation services. Whether upgrading to vinyl windows Mesa or combining them with custom solutions, our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes us the go-to choice for window solutions in the Mesa area. Contact us today to learn more about how we can enhance your home's windows. Vinyl window installation in Mesa offers a range of benefits, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows Mesa, and custom window solutions. Homeowners seeking window frame replacement or double-pane windows in Mesa can enjoy improved energy savings and noise reduction. With a focus on window UV protection and security features, vinyl window replacement in Mesa ensures enhanced home safety and comfort. Window glass installation and window seal replacement services in Mesa are essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows. These services, along with window insulation services, window weatherproofing, and vinyl windows Mesa, contribute to better home window upgrades. For those interested in window style options, Mesa offers a variety of choices to suit any home design. Window measurement services and window design consultation in Mesa help homeowners select the perfect fit for their needs. With window hardware replacement, window screen installation, and vinyl windows Mesa, residents can enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of their windows. Window maintenance services in Mesa ensure long-lasting performance and durability. Understanding the window replacement cost in Mesa is crucial for budgeting purposes. Many companies offer window replacement financing options to make the process more affordable. With a clear window installation timeline, a reliable window installation warranty, and vinyl windows Mesa, homeowners can have peace of mind during their window upgrade projects. Window contractor services in Mesa provide expert guidance and professional installation. These services ensure that energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and vinyl windows Mesa are installed correctly for maximum window energy savings. With a focus on window noise reduction and window UV protection, Mesa residents can enjoy a more comfortable living environment. For those in Mesa seeking home window upgrades, vinyl window replacement is a popular choice. With options for custom window solutions, energy-efficient windows, and vinyl windows Mesa, homeowners can achieve both style and functionality. Window frame replacement and window seal replacement services in Mesa further enhance the performance of your windows. Window insulation services and window weatherproofing in Mesa are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor climate. With window style options, window design consultation, and vinyl windows Mesa, homeowners can select the perfect windows to complement their home's architecture. Window measurement services ensure a precise fit for optimal performance. Window hardware replacement and window screen installation in Mesa enhance the usability and appearance of your windows. Regular window maintenance services, combined with vinyl windows Mesa, help extend the lifespan of your windows, ensuring they continue to perform well over time. With a focus on window security features, Mesa homeowners can feel safe and secure. Window replacement cost in Mesa can vary, but many companies offer window replacement financing to ease the financial burden. With a clear window installation timeline, a comprehensive window installation warranty, and vinyl windows Mesa, homeowners can trust in the quality and reliability of their new windows. Window contractor services in Mesa provide expert installation and support. Energy-efficient windows in Mesa are a smart investment for reducing energy bills and improving home comfort. With double-pane windows, custom window solutions, and vinyl windows Mesa, homeowners can enjoy enhanced window energy savings. Window noise reduction and window UV protection further contribute to a more pleasant living environment in Mesa.